Canva's AI text-to-image generator was released in March 2023. Since then, it has been updated several times with new features and improvements. Here are some of the most notable updates. New image styles. In addition to the original watercolor, filmic, neon, color pencil, and retrowave styles, Canva has added several new image styles, including comic, pop art, and cartoon. Improved accuracy. The AI text-to-image generator has been improved to produce more accurate and realistic images. New text prompts. Canva has added a library of new text prompts that can be used to generate images. These prompts include things like, a cat sitting on a yoga mat, and, a cityscape at sunset. Support for more languages. The AI text-to-image generator now supports more languages, including English, French, Spanish, German, and Japanese. Canva plans to continue updating the AI text-to-image generator with new features and improvements in the future. How does the Canva AI text-to-image generator work? The Canva AI text-to-image generator uses a neural network that has been trained on a massive dataset of images. When you enter a text prompt, the neural network uses the text to generate a set of instructions that describe the image you want. The neural network then uses these instructions to create an image. What are the different styles of images that the Canva AI text-to-image generator can create? The Canva AI text-to-image generator can create images in a variety of styles, including watercolor, filmic, neon, color pencil, and retrowave. Each style has its own unique look and feel. What are the limitations of the Canva AI text-to-image generator? The Canva AI text-to-image generator is still under development, so it has some limitations. For example, the generator may not always be able to create images that are exactly as you want them. Additionally, the generator may not be able to create images that are copyright-free. Is the Canva AI text-to-image generator safe to use? The Canva AI text-to-image generator is safe to use. The neural network that powers the generator has been trained on a massive dataset of images, so it is not likely to generate images that are harmful or offensive. How can I use the Canva AI text-to-image generator? To use the Canva AI text-to-image generator, you need to have a Canva account. Go to the Canva website and sign in to your account. Click on the More button in the Canva toolbar and select Text to Image. Enter a text prompt in the text box. The more specific your text prompt, the more likely the generator is to create an image that matches your vision. Select a style from the drop-down menu. The Canva AI text-to-image generator can create images in a variety of styles, so experiment with different styles to see what you like best. Click on the Generate Image button. The generator will then create an image based on your prompt. You can download the image or add it to your Canva design. Here are some additional details about using the Canva AI text-to-image generator. The text prompt can be anything you want, but it's best to be as specific as possible. For example, instead of saying, a cat, you could say, a tabby cat sitting on a windowsill. The style can be anything you want, but some styles are more popular than others. For example, the watercolor style is a popular choice for creating images with a soft, painterly look. The generator may not always be able to create an image that matches your vision. If you're not happy with the first image that the generator creates, try generating another one. Can I use Canva AI text-to-image generator phone now? Yes, you can use the Canva AI text-to-image generator from now. It is currently available to all Canva users, regardless of their subscription plan. However, there is a daily quota of 100 images per user. This means that you can create up to 100 images per day using the generator. To use the Canva AI text-to-image generator, you need to have a Canva account. Once you have an account, you can open the text-to-image generator by clicking on the More button in the Canva toolbar and selecting Text to Image. Then, you can enter a text prompt and select a style. The generator will then create an image based on your prompt. Here are some tips for using the Canva AI text-to-image generator. Use clear and concise text prompts. The more specific your text prompt, the more likely the generator is to create an image that matches your vision. Use keywords that are relevant to the image you want to create. For example, If you want to create an image of a cat, you might use keywords like cat, kitten, furry, and meow. Use different styles to create a variety of images. The Canva AI text-to-image generator can create images in a variety of styles, so experiment with different styles to see what you like best. Be patient. The Canva AI text-to-image generator is still under development, so it may not always be able to create images that are exactly as you want them. If you're not happy with the first image that the generator creates,